Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of GK. Students, today we will learn our new lesson number 17, Know Your World. Now let us start question answer session. Name the following. Question 1, biggest ocean. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world ocean basins, covering approximately 63 million square miles and containing more than half of the free water on Earth. The Pacific is by far the largest of the world's ocean basins. All the world's continents could fit into the Pacific Ocean. Next question. Lowest body of water. Answer is Dead Sea. Its surface and shores are 430.5 meters below sea level. Earth's lowest elevation on land. It is 304 meters deep, the deepest hypersaline lake in the world, within a salinity of 342 gram per kilogram or 34.2%. It is one of the world's saltiest bodies of water. It is 9.6 times as salty as the ocean and it has a density of 1.24 kilogram per liter, which makes swimming similar to floating. Next, highest plateau, Tibet. It is a vast elevated plateau in Central Asia and East Asia, covering most of the Tibet Autonomous Region, northwestern Yunnan, eastern half of Sichuan, southern Gansu and Qinghai provinces in western China, Indian regions of Ladakh and Lahaul and Spiti, as well as Bhutan. It stretches approximately 1000 km north to the south and 2005 km east to west. It is the world's highest and largest plateau with an area 25 lakh square kilometer. Next question, deepest lake, Baikal. It is a rift lake located in southern Siberia, Russia, between Irkutsk Oblast to the northwest and Buryat Republic to the southeast. Lake Baikal is the largest freshwater lake by volume in the world, containing 20 to 23% of the world's fresh surface water. Baikal is the world's deepest lake and it is considered among the world's clearest lakes and is considered the world's oldest lake at 25 to 30 million years. It is the seventh largest lake in the world by surface area. Deepest cave, Gofreberger. The Gofreberger is a French cave discovered on 24th May 1953 by the Joseph Berger, Bouvet, Ruiz de Arcueil and Marc Joffre. From 1953 to 1963, it was regarded as the deepest cave in the world at minus 1122 meters, relinquishing this title to the previous contender, Pierre Saint Martin, in 1964. After further exploration, the Guffiberger is now ranked 28th deepest cave in the world and the 4th in France. Smallest country, Vatican City. The geography of Vatican City is unique due to the country's position as an urban, landlocked enclave of Rome, Italy. Within an 0.49 kilometer area, it is the world's smallest independent state. Longest river, Mississippi. The Mississippi River is the second longest river on North American continent. From its traditional source of Lake Itasca in northern Minnesota, it flows generally south for 3,730 km to the Mississippi River Delta in the Gulf of Mexico. The main stem is entirely within the United States. The total drainage basin is 29 lakh 80,000 km square. of which only about 1% is in Canada. The Mississippi ranks as the fourth longest river and 15th largest river by the discharge in the world. Next question, deepest ocean, Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean, somewhere between Guam and the Philippines, lies the Mariana Trench, also known as Mariana Trench. The deepest point in the ocean is the Mariana Trench. Its maximum depth has been estimated to be 10,971 meters. Next question, biggest dam, Lloyd Dam. Jackson Lake is one of the oldest reservoirs in Georgia, United States. 44 miles southeast of Atlanta in a rural area situated within parts of three counties. The Lloyd Shoals Dam was built in 1910 by Central Georgia Power Company and electricity was originally generated for the city of Macon. Next question. Largest delta, Sundarban. The Sundarbans is mangrove area in the delta formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers in the Bay of Bengal. It spans from the Hooghly River in India's state of West Bengal to the Baleshwar River in Bangladesh. It comprises closed and open mangrove forest, agriculturally used land, mudflats and barren land, and it is intersected by multiple tidal streams and channels. Fun fact, New Zealand is considered as the world's cleanest and greenest country. Now let us start our new lesson, lesson number 18, diseases and the organs affected by them. Match the following diseases to the organs affected by them. Tuberculosis disease affected by organ lungs, which is option I. The bacteria that cause TB are spread when an infected person coughs or sneezes. When symptoms do occur, they usually include a cough, weight loss, night sweats and fever. Patients with active symptoms will require a long course of treatment involving multiple antibiotics. Next disease, cataract, affected organ eyes, which is option C. A cataract is an opacification of the lens of the eye which leads to decrease in vision. Cataracts often develop slowly and affect one or both eyes. Symptoms may include faded colors, blurry or double vision, halos around light, trouble with bright lights, and trouble seeing at night. Next disease, diabetes, affected organ pancreas, which is option B. Diabetes is a metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar. The hormone insulin moves sugar from the blood into your cell to be stored or used for energy. With diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it does make. Next disease, pyorrhea, affected organ, teeth and gums, which is option L. It is also known as gum disease, is a set of inflammatory conditions affecting the tissues surrounding the teeth. In its early stage, called gingivitis, the gums become swollen, red, and may bleed. In its more serious form, called periodontitis, the gums can pull away from the tooth, bone can be lost, and the teeth may loosen or fall out. Bad breath may also occur. Next disease, arthritis, affected organ joints, which is option G. Arthritis is a term often used to mean any disorder that affects joints. Symptoms generally include joint pain and stiffness. Other symptoms may include redness, warmth, swelling, and decreased range of motion of the affected joints. There are over 100 types of arthritis. The most common forms are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Next disease diphtheria, affected organ throat, which is option A. Diphtheria is an infection caused by the bacterium Corynebacterium diphtheria. Signs and symptoms may vary from mild to severe. They usually start 2 to 5 days after exposure. Symptoms often come on fairly gradually, beginning with a sore throat and fever. Next, this is malaria, affected organ, blood, which is option E. Malaria is caused by one cell parasite called a plasmodium. The malaria parasites enter that person's bloodstream and travel to the liver. When the parasites mature, they leave the liver and infect red blood cells. Female Anopheles mosquitoes pick up the parasite from infected people and they bite to obtain blood needed to nurture their eggs. Inside the mosquito, the parasites reproduce and develop. When the mosquito bites again, the parasites contained in the salivary gland are ejected and pass into the blood of the person being bitten. Next, this is meningitis, affected organ, brain and spinal cord, which is option K. Meningitis is an inflammation of the meninges. The meninges are the three membranes that cover the brain and spinal cord. Meningitis can occur when fluid surrounding the meninges becomes infected. The most common causes of meningitis are viral and bacterial infections. Next, this is leukemia, affected organs, spleen, which is option M. Leukemia is a cancer which starts in blood forming tissue, usually the bone marrow. It leads to the overproduction of abnormal white blood cells, the part of immune system which defends the body against infection. It can then spread to other parts of body such as lymph nodes, spleen, liver, central nervous system and other organs. Rapidly growing types of leukemia may cause symptoms that include fatigue, weight loss, frequent infections, and easy bleeding or bruising. Next, this is goiter, affected organs, thyroid gland, which is option H. A goiter is an abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland, which is butterfly-shaped organ located at the base of your neck. The thyroid gland releases hormones that help control your metabolism and other important processes in your body. A goiter is a swelling in the neck resulting from an enlarged thyroid gland. A goiter can be associated with a thyroid that is not functioning properly. Worldwide, over 90% of goiter causes are caused by iodine deficiency. Next, this is appendicitis, affected organ, appendix, which is option D. Appendicitis occurs when the appendix becomes inflamed and filled with pus. Appendicitis is an inflammation of the appendix, a finger-shaped pouch that protects from your colon on the lower side of your abdomen. Appendicitis causes pain in your lower right abdomen. Next, this is pancreatitis, affected organs, pancreas, which is option B. Pancreatitis is inflammation of the pancreas. It happens when digestive enzymes that digesting the pancreas itself. Pancreatitis can be acute or chronic either from is serious and can lead to complications. Symptoms include upper abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting. Acute pancreatitis occurs suddenly and usually goes away in a few days with treatment. Next, this is scleroderma, affected organ skin, which is option A. Scleroderma neonatorum is a rare and severe skin condition that is characterized by diffuse hardening of the subcutaneous tissue with minimal inflammation. Scleroderma neonatorum is a rare disease characterized by firm indurated, waxy skin lenses extended throughout the body, sparing the fat-free soles, palms, and genitalia. The prognosis of Scleroderma neonatorum is generally very poor with high fatality rate. Fun fact: Ronald Ross discovered that malaria is caused by a particular type of mosquito. Students, now we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.